Hello everyone, today we will give you a hacks tips to edit your video with a CapCut. And today's hacks or tips could be the way how you can make the background on your video will be blurry while keep the objects on it still clear. So you already have this video with the background, and let's just change the background here become like blurry. So tap into the clip here, and we need to duplicate the clip first. Swipe into the left side until you got the duplicate tools, and then you just need to tap into the duplicate and make the duplicate tools or clip become overlay. Adjusting the position, guys, drag it into the same position as the primary video. The next thing you need to do is just go back and go click effects, tap into the video effects, type into the search button blur, and then you just need to go click search. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into the blur right here. Now click cancel, click this checklist button, and adjusting the duration of the effects, make sure that you applied it into the whole clip. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into here until you got the main menu, and then you just need to slide into the right side again, and then go click overlay. And this overlay, tap into the overlay clip. Now you just need to slide into the left side until you got this remove background. Tap it. And then you just need to go click auto removal, and here you go. We need to wait until the process is perfectly applied. It's just depending to the duration of the video as well as the internet connection. So right after you're done, now you just need to go with this checklist button, and here is the result. Blur background with the object is still clean and clear. That's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and don't forget to leave some comment on this channel. Let's meet again into other tutorial.